Welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Hey guy, I'm here with another quick video. Okay, I'm gonna do stir fry with tofu. I put my tofu to soak with the salt and I just cut it up, and I have all my ingredients over here, my dry ingredients. It's tofu. This is a firm tofu. Yes, and I have all my ingredients over here to go with my tofu. I have the purple cabbage, the white cabbage, garlic, and I have green bean, carrot, scallion, 2 type of onion, and all my different type of sweet pepper. And over here are my ingredients, dry one. Black pepper, cayenne pepper. This is whole bay, Mr. Dash, a Jamaica season, very nice, and garlic powder. I'm going to combine everything together and put on my tofu, and then I will take it from there. Okay, I'm going to season my tofu. Okay. Okay, I already put some oil in my pot. So I'm gonna just drop some tofu in the pot and let them fry. Ooh. Okay, put these done quickly. Onion and pepper in the pot. Onion. I'm going to put the bean with it because you make a little salt. And my garlic over here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add my cabbage. Purple cabbage. White cabbage. I'm gonna put some of the remaining of the seasoning. Okay, give it another 5 minutes, let me cover it. I'll come back right now. Everything's still by itself. You see, so they have to have no water. You have to have no water to this. Wow. 5 more minutes and I can take it off. You don't want your vegetable to get soft, right? But just put everything that's easily cooked. These are some soft beans. I'll give it another 5 minutes. See, looking so good. What I'm going to do now is to put my tofu in. So then I just stir it and it's done. Look. What a lovely meal. See? And it's being cooked. Very nice. Yes, guys, this is my finishing touch. My tofu stir fry with my 2 different cabbage and all my carrots and peppers. I know it's looking good, and I know, I'm telling you, it tastes good. Okay? Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.